Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best yoga equipment that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Yogi 4-6 pairs Pilates socks for women. These budget-friendly socks are perfect for anyone looking for a practical and affordable way to enhance their yoga or Pilates sessions. Featuring a non-slip grip design, these socks provide excellent traction on various surfaces, ensuring stability during poses or workouts. The breathable material keeps your feet comfortable and dry, making them ideal for extended use. The design is simple yet effective, with a snug fit that accommodates most foot sizes. The non-slip grips on the soles are durable and well-placed, preventing skidding and providing confidence during high-intensity movements. While these socks lack the premium feel of higher-priced yoga accessories, their practicality and affordability make them an excellent option for those on a tight budget. The Yogi Pilates socks are best suited for beginners or casual practitioners who want basic protection and improved grip during their yoga or Pilates workouts. While they may not offer advanced features like odor resistance or thick padding, their low price point and reliable performance make them a solid entry-level choice. However, if you're looking for something more specialized or durable, you may want to consider other options higher on this list. At number 4, we have the Gayam Yoga knee pads, a fantastic accessory for those seeking extra support and comfort during their practice. These knee pads are designed to cushion sensitive areas like knees, elbows, and wrists, allowing you to perform poses without experiencing discomfort. The non-slip grip ensures they stay in place throughout your session, even on slippery surfaces, making them a reliable tool for yoga enthusiasts. The pads are made from polyurethane foam, which is lightweight yet durable. Their compact size, 7.6 inches in diameter, makes them easy to carry to the gym or while traveling, and the soft yet supportive material is ideal for reducing strain on joints during challenging poses. While they excel in comfort, the pads may not be suitable for high-impact exercises, as they are designed specifically for yoga and meditation. Ideal for yogis of all levels, these pads provide a subtle upgrade to your practice by reducing joint pressure and improving alignment. They are particularly useful for individuals with joint sensitivity or those recovering from injuries. However, at $16.59, they fall on the higher end of the price spectrum compared to other yoga accessories, which might be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. Taking the third spot on our list are the Triar Yoga Blocks 2-pack. These premium foam blocks are essential for improving flexibility, balance, and alignment in your yoga practice. Designed with a non-slip surface and made from durable EVA foam, these blocks provide reliable support during challenging poses and stretches. They are also odor-resistant and easy to clean, making them a hygienic addition to your routine. The Triar Yoga Blocks stand out for their lightweight build and portability, measuring 9 by 6 by 3 inches. Whether you're practicing at home or in a studio, these blocks are a versatile tool for deepening stretches and reducing strain on your muscles. The foam construction strikes a balance between softness and stability, ensuring comfort without compromising performance. Priced at $13.99, these blocks offer excellent value for their durability and functionality. They are particularly well-suited for beginners who need extra support or experienced yogis looking to enhance their poses. While they might not be as sturdy as cork blocks, their lightweight design and affordability make them a practical and accessible choice for most users. Coming in at number 2 is the Kof Pilates Bar kit with resistance bands. This multifunctional kit is a game-changer for full-body workouts, combining a sturdy steel Pilates bar with adjustable resistance bands that range from 20 to 150 pounds. The heavy-duty metal adjustment buckle ensures durability and precision, making it suitable for users of various heights, 5.2 to 5.8 feet. The included accessories, such as handles, foot straps, and a door anchor, allow for a wide variety of exercises targeting arms, legs, core, and back. The design prioritizes safety and convenience, featuring non-slip protection pads on the bar and soft padding on the handles to prevent discomfort during extended sessions. The resistance bands are made from natural latex, offering excellent elasticity and durability. Additionally, the kit is highly portable, with all components fitting into a compact carrying bag for easy storage and travel. Although the price is not listed, this Pilates Bar kit offers immense versatility and value for anyone looking to enhance their yoga, Pilates, or general fitness routine. Its robust build and adjustable tension levels make it suitable for both beginners and advanced practitioners. However, its more complex setup might be a drawback for those seeking simpler equipment. And finally, at number 1, we have the Triar Extrathick Yoga Ball Exercise Ball. This premium yoga ball is designed for versatility, offering benefits for balance, stability, pregnancy support, and even as an ergonomic office chair. Made from high-quality PVC material, it features a non-slip frosted surface that enhances grip and prevents sliding during use. With a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, this ball is built for durability and safety, including a gradual air release mechanism to prevent sudden bursts. The Triar Yoga Ball comes with a quick inflation pump and 2 air stoppers, making setup a breeze. Available in 5 sizes, it caters to various user needs, whether you're looking to improve core strength, ease maternity pains, or simply maintain better posture while sitting. The ball is free from harmful heavy metals, ensuring it is safe for pregnant women and children alike. Priced at $18.99, this yoga ball is the most expensive item on our list, but its exceptional build quality and multi-scenario usability justify the cost. It's perfect for users who want a versatile, durable, and safe piece of equipment for yoga, fitness, or everyday use. The only downside is its larger size, which might require more storage space compared to other yoga accessories. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.